Hello friends, and how are you? Today I have iPhone 6 Plus. So there is problem of when I press the power button, that will turn off automatically. You can see here. That is directly gone for the recovery mode. So I will connect with my laptop, and I have this free tool 3U tool. You can download this one, and now I will connect my phone with my PC. So you can see here it has become on the recovery mode. Firstly, you need the download the firmware of this phone. So this is 7.1 and 6 plus. So now I will go to the Chrome, search here the ipsw.me and then enter. So that is become open. The site I will press on the iPhone. iPhone 6 Plus. You can see here this is the 6 Plus. That is must to be matching the product code with the 3U tool of this phone. So you can see here this is 8.2 and I have this one the product type 7.1. I need the 7.1. That file will be not work in this phone. So I will go back. I will select the 6 plus. This one is the 6 plus. You can see here this is the iPhone 7.1. So you will press on the download button and download this firmware with you in your PC. So I have already downloaded this file. I will press on the go flash. You can import. You can select on the import. You can see here import. Press on the import button. We will open this one. So you can press this file that you have download. So I have already imported, so I will press on this one. I will press on the quick flash to activation, skip setup, cancel, and then press on the flash button. Yes, flash. So that has been started with my mobile phone. Do not disconnect your phone till your firmware is completed to the mobile phone. This will take a time. Extracting firmware 5%. Till 20%. This will take a time, so you can wait for your phone and your PC. Do not disconnect your phone from your PC. Just waiting for the phone. So that is started now. You can see here 17, 18. And I will mention this file in the description link. So Now my file is continue to my phone. When the file is complete, then my phone will be start. So this will be take a time, so I will be wait. Then my flash file is complete to the phone, then I will continue. So that is still continue. Creating system key bag. So yes, congratulations, clean flash completed. So finally my flash is complete now, and my phone will be start in a few minutes. So I will be wait for my phone. When my phone is start, then I will be continue. When complete this line, then my phone will be start. So I will be still waiting for my phone. This will take a little bit more time. Do not turn off your mobile phone. Wait for your phone till start. So it is finally start my phone. Now I will select English language. Set up manually. I will select with Wi-Fi. So maybe here is problem with this touch. So this was the placing of this phone. You can connect with Wi-Fi and then press on the next button. That should automatically go to the main menu and try to select the setup of this phone. So this is the placing of iPhone 6 Plus. Maybe this video will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching.